So we have a 1966 VW split screen van. Our plan is, by the looks of the rear corner, there's still some original paint under there, some pastel white, so it'd be quite nice to try and get as much back as possible. Lower it down, narrowed, drop spindles on the front. Going to keep the drum brakes because we only have a standard engine. Straight axle Beetle rear end. Full interior by Thomas at STS Trimming. Really looking forward to working with him for the week. H Schofield give us a really good discount on a whole lot of parts, as you can see. We're going to go dual circuit on the brakes as well, just a bit of safety. Rear arches and front panel obviously going to need to be welded in and blended. I'm going to get Tozer Signs to come in on the Friday and Saturday, fingers crossed, and work her magic on what could hopefully be the original paint. Buttys Bits has donated a fair few things, including this roller bearing throttle linkage, which is a really nice bit of kit. MCJ Products going to do us a nice engraved horn push and all the handles for the interior. So the dates we're planning on doing this are the 19th of October for 6 days. So fingers crossed we can get it done in that time frame. That is, it's going to be day and night. It's going to be a good feed going on in the workshop, so you can see how it's going on social media.
So there we go. Tomorrow is the start of the split week challenge at the old dub shop. It's going to be a long week, but it's going to be a good one. So if you don't already, make sure that you follow the old dub shop on Facebook and on Instagram. If you're trying to find the videos, they're all going to be hosted on YouTube. Just search for Split Week Challenge on YouTube or follow the links from different social media accounts. If you're struggling to find the videos, have a look at the old dub shop's website. It's theolddubshop.co.uk, because there'll be links to all the videos there. Leave some comments on the videos. We'd love to see what you think of the progress of the bus. Now that the bus is outside, we can have a look around. It's got these holes here. That looks like it might have been for an old ladder, maybe. It's also got, the paint. The top layer of roller paint, that's flaking off, no problem. The paint underneath though, one of them's actually been put on with primer, so you know that might have been done a little better. Security measures, hookup point. This van has obviously got the arches cut out for the bigger wheels as well. So it must have done some serious miles back in the day. Perhaps would have been a really cool bus with the electric hookup, ladder. You know, you can just imagine it now, people driving across the US for summer holidays and what have you. It's a shame there's no history with this bus, because it would be cool to know exactly what it did. So that front end panel's got to come off. That's only glued in at the moment. Any ideas why you would cut the front out and glue it in? Let us know in the comments. Be interested to see if anyone knows why. It's a strange one, that. So the wiring side is a bit of a mess, but that's all getting replaced, so no problems there. The bus is fairly solid where it needs to be. You know, there's a few bits which obviously need replacing because they've just been siliconed in, but generally speaking it looks pretty good. Hopefully there's no surprises, and yeah, the time scale will be okay. So there we go, Split Week Challenge.
But just who is Brock? Where did he come from? It is a strange story that begins many years ago.